boy, it's hot. Oh, I know. Let's turn on the ceiling fan. Wait, it's not supposed to go that fast. What's gonna happen? Oh no! The ceiling fan is chasing me. Oh! I'm coming for you, human, 'cause you woke me up. Oh, great. A shop to hide in. I hope I'm safe. Man, we've got to stop this fan. He's knocking air conditioners off the tops of buildings. Ah! Oh, I am the evil ceiling fan. I'm the fan of your nightmares. Pun intended, I'm a ceiling fan, and I am so evil. Hey, stop running away. I'm trying to get you. No, I can't stop. You're gonna get me. So, bye. Woo! Well, that was weird. All I was trying to do is tell him the new pavilion is open. It's better than this one. Oh, the new pavilion is open? Yeah! I've been waiting for so long. Okay, I'll lead you there. Come on, it's this way. It looks like a banana. Oh, yay, I love bananas. I'm coming.